Alright YouTube, I thought I'd show you my new welding cart. There's not many videos of kind of like what I was looking for, just a compact cart to carry, you know, a MIG welder, arc welder, and a torch set. So this is kind of just what I did to give you an idea. I just went, it's about 19-20 inches wide, and then I just put a shelf. It's about 42 inches long. And there's a foot there for the torch set, and then the rest. Gives me a place to put my cords. That's I kind of want to make it unique as I could. So this is the cutting edge off of a loader or something. So that's the actual, just the frame. This is just drill pipe here. This is a state road sign made out of aluminum. This is a part of an old T-square I cut up. These are some very expensive HKP bolt cutters that I said I was never going to get around to fixing. I tried to resurface them, but didn't have the right rod. So I thought, what the hell, I'm never going to fix them, so I might as well make them into something cool. Put a piece of angle iron on the side to hold my grinders, or some of them. The shelf works pretty good. It rolls around pretty easy. Pretty pleased with it. The bottom's just made out of an old cart I had. It's just stamped, probably like 12 or 14 gauge steel. The swivel casters I just had laying around. So the back of it's held up with 8-inch strap. There's the bottom. Just quickly threw it together. You don't have to hold much weight. So anyway, it also gave me a chance to clean up my welding table and kind of just, instead of piling grinders there, now I can spread out. I'll probably make it more organized and maybe put a shelf in there someday. And then I'll slide my anvil back over right there. Anyway, maybe that'll give you an idea. It's just one more option. It's cool having those tools though, because you can make whatever you want.